Welcome to Elements for Life and E4L team training, where community spirit, functional training and the development of human movement is just the beginning. What do we do? We're an advanced team training network with high performance coaches, focusing on high intensity training, strength conditioning and mobility. Our goal is to support our community towards long-term lifestyle adjustments and high-level fitness.
Elements for Life stands for Functional Training 2.0 and we are ready for you. Come and talk to our coaching team about your fitness goals and explore your participation in our evolutionary team training systems. Come and experience the difference and train for life at Elements for Life.